Hi, my name is Cheryl.nix, and I'm the 7th grade school counselor here at Crayton Middle. Many of you already know me as I was the 6th grade counselor last year and am now following your students up to 7th grade with Ms. Arflin. I'm beginning my 8th year here, and in addition to providing services to you and your student, I am also the PSAT coordinator. The best way to reach me is by my direct line is 803-738-7253, or email cheryl.nix at richland1.org. That's CHERYL.NIX at richland1.org. And I also have a Microsoft Teams page that your students also have membership to. I look forward to working with you this year. I know it's been a challenge for all of us, but I feel like we'll be back together soon. And when we do, we'll be able to look back and take some good things away from this experience, because we'll have learned a lot on how to learn in a new way. But anyway, thank you for stopping in, and I look forward to working with you and your student this year and supporting you in any way that I can so that your child is successful.